So today I am on my 30k. After a very long time I'm back on road, so I thought of doing a simple morning ride of 30k. I generally go for 2 hours ride to 2 weeks ride in all different terrains in different time of the different time of year. So what I just realized on my short 2 hours ride is how differently mind reacts when you have a short goal like 2 hours, and how mind prepare yourself for something which is very long, you know, longer distance. I mean to say, in terms of cycling, I just realized how differently my mind behaves on my shorter rides like today, and how my mind prepares me for a longer rides. So why it matters? Maybe we can apply this to life, where we have short-term goals and long-term goals, just like my short ride and long ride. Short rides or short goals, you know, uh, mind jumps, switch between things very fast. It's hard to keep mind on one single thing in short distances, or even for say short goals. I think that is the biggest conflict that we all, maybe I have to deal with. I don't know about others, but I realize that how mind works for two different scenarios. So what could we all be, I must be doing, or you all must be being aware of? At least it doesn't mean whether you do it or not, but at least be aware when we have these short term and long term scenarios or goals or approaches. I think it's important to keep mind not aware of the distance or the length of the goal. That's my revelation for today. Like, this is what I just realized, so I thought of sharing. Chalo then, on some other road with some other topic. Happy cycling.